Cleaning your fridge water dispenser is actually quite a straightforward process. Doesn't require any tools unless you want to rip your fridge apart. We're not doing that here today. This is going to be simple, straightforward, and easy. We're dealing with hard water and calcium buildup, so we're just going to use good old vinegar and some paper towel to keep the vinegar in place, and a bowl. And it'd be really good if you had a what are these called? Straw cleaner thingies. But a Q-tip would also work, but I would be worried a Q-tip would bend and get busted up in there. So try to find one of these. So let's just do a quick check of my water dispenser, which is actually quite bad if you get down low and then look up into it. Like we've got all of this white is like white calcium and mineral buildup, hard water deposits. We're gonna clean all in here. I don't have access to my water line, so this is what we're doing. We're gonna scrub up in there, get all this gunk off. Let's see what this is like under here. It's probably not that bad. Ooh, it's a little gunky. And then we'll also clean the ice machine, like the ice dispenser on the inside. So we're just gonna get a bowl and splash in some straight vinegar. You need a decent amount of it, and then you need a roll of paper towel, and just like, we're gonna make like kind of like strips, because we're gonna stick this paper towel all over everything on the dispenser, and let it soak so it has time to eat away the hard water buildup. So I have the soaked paper towel in vinegar, and then I'm going to just use that to kind of like wrap it around. The reason we're doing this is because if you just spray the vinegar on, it's gonna run off, and we need it to sit a little bit longer so that it will like eat away all of the stuff. So it's gonna take some clever MacGyvering here to get it to stick. Oh, I think we got it there. We've put more paper towel up the ice dispenser because it was dirtier than we thought it was gonna be. One thing I should have said is that you want to shut off your control panel here so that the water doesn't hit you. Sometimes you can just open your fridge door and that's what stops the water from running, but mine needed to be controls locked. While this is soaking, we're just gonna open up the fridge and we're gonna clean out the ice dispenser. So mine just has a drawer where all the ice sits in it. I would love to be able to like get into this panel, but that is for a fridge appliance person, not me, to do. So I've sprayed this down with Dawn Power Wash, scrubbed it, rinsed it. Now I'm gonna let it dry fully before I put it back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wipe all in here and get it all cleaned. It's kind of dirty and has some like grime built up. I'm just using a hot cloth with some dish soap on it. You can see how dirty that is in there. Ooh, I hope that comes off. There is a water line in there because that's where the ice is. But there's no way I'm taking that apart. No way in hell. What is this? No, it's going down. So once it's all wiped down, you can put this back so it starts producing ice again. And then we just want to wipe down into the ice. This is like the ice dispenser hole to get everything out of it. There's actually nothing really in here, but some of them are gross and black and like moldy. So this has probably been soaking for about half an hour. Now it's time to take it off. See how it's been doing. Ooh, we might have to come back and do that hose, but this is all, oh yeah, baby, look at that. All right, I have 2 of these straw cleaners that I'm gonna start with the bigger one because I hope that it's gonna fit in there. Get up. Watch your eyes, because it's vinegar. Uh-oh. How far up can we go with this without doing any damage? My fingers are burning. The paper cuts. Okay. So we've actually, in all honesty, left this for like 3 hours. We keep coming back and unwrapping it and checking it, and we've scrubbed it a couple of times, but we finally got the reveal. So I would, if I was you, or if I was to do this again, I would let the vinegar paper towel soak overnight. All right, now that I've removed everything, you're gonna see kind of closer up, we've been coming back and kind of like, just as the hard water kind of, I'm even using my fingernail, but you could use like, we just used a scrub brush because it comes off really easy because it's been softened. Now that we're at our final stages here, I wanna go up into the water dispenser again, because like there's vinegar and stuff in here. We want to get that out in case there's any like hard water inside the pipe or the hose. And then we're gonna just flush it through so there's no vinegar in the drinking water. It won't be that bad.
Do it.
No. So that's how you clean your fridge water dispenser. If you have any better ideas on how to do it, drop it in the comments below, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.